Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'm going to tell you what you can do if Facebook is not working in your device Zflip4 and Zfold4. So if Facebook is not working in Zflip4 and Zfold4, you can make it work by following the few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can make your Facebook work in your device.